In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the relationships column in ClickUp to connect tasks and people. First, sign in to your ClickUp account at clickup.com. In the left sidebar, open spaces, pick the space you're working in, and then open the specific list where you want to build connections. Think of this as choosing the exact place your tasks already live, like a video production or marketing tasks list, so everything you link stays relevant to your workflow. In your list view, add a new column. Choose Add Column, then scroll until you see Relationships and select it. Give the column a clear, descriptive name that matches your goal, something like person in charge, related tasks, or cross-task dependencies. Clear names help your team understand at a glance what the links represent. When you're ready, click Create. Here's what this column does for you. Relationships let you create two-way links between tasks, whether they're in the same list or scattered across different lists and spaces in your workspace. Once the column is set up, each cell becomes a small search box where you can link another task or subtask, turning isolated items into a connected system. To link tasks, click inside a relationships cell for the task you're working on. Start typing a task name, a task ID, or even paste a task URL, then choose the correct match from the dropdown. For example, you might link video production to audio production, and then link audio production to content upload. If two-way linking is enabled, you'll see both incoming and outgoing connections, which keeps context intact no matter where you're looking from. You can also use relationships to track people or roles. Rename the column to something people-focused, like person in charge or owner assignee tasks. Then link tasks to the person or role responsible, or group tasks owned by the same person across different areas such as teaching assistant, content editor, or designer. This makes it easy to scan a list and instantly see what a specific person is handling beyond just one project. When you open a linked task, ClickUp may show sections like tasks that depend on this task and tasks that this task depends on. This is perfect for mapping cross-task dependencies. For instance, editing shouldn't begin until rough cut is complete, and for understanding how one contributor's work connects across projects. Use relationships to surface dependencies, track shared responsibilities, and clarify ownership across multiple lists. This keeps your workspace connected, clear, and easier to manage for everyone. Using the relationships column turns scattered tasks into a web of connected work, so you always know what's linked and who's responsible. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.